A, B, and C are integers such that A, B, C are greater than equal -3 and less than or equal +3. AB plus BC plus CA equal to 0. Find the value of A plus B plus C. So if I want to calculate this, I say AB plus BC plus CA equal to 0. I use Simon's favorite factoring trick. This trick, let me explain it first for you. For example, when we have A plus AB plus B equal to something, for example, 2. You can factorize like this, A plus 1, B plus 1, and you have A, B, B. You have one more because of 1 times 1, so it will be 2 plus 1, which is 3. And another way, if you have A plus 2AB plus B, for example, equal to 3. Because we have 2 here, the idea is to multiply by 2. Then we have 2AB plus 4, 2A plus 4AB plus 2B equal to 6. Then I can factorize 2A minus plus 1. 2B plus 1. We have one more. We have 2A, 4AB, 2B. We have one more, 6 plus 1, 7. Hmm. Here, I consider these as I have AB, I have CAC. So if I want to create AB, I say A plus C and B plus C, but let's consider something. Here we can have negative and positive. Do you agree that if I negative all of A to negative A, B to negative B, and C to negative C, then we can say, okay, this part still is 0. Because AB, if you change both A and B to negative A, negative B, negative will be cancelled. So if for A, B, C, we have answer, for negative A, negative B, negative C, we have answer. Now, let's consider other things. When we have AB plus BC plus CA equal to 0, if one of them be 0, for example, if A is 0, then we conclude BC is 0. So then we conclude B is 0 or C is 0. So we conclude if two of them, if one of them is 0, then at least one of the other one is 0. So if two of them be 0, for example, A and B, if A equal to B equal to 0, then we say, okay, it is 0, it is 0, it is 0, and it's satisfied. So if two of them is 0, for example, A, B, 0, C can be from +3, +2, +1, 0, -1, -2, -3. So A plus B plus C in this case can be what numbers? Can be 0, 0, 3, 2, 1, 0, -3, -2, -1. So in this part, we have these 7 answers. Now, let's consider other cases. Like what? So we can say, like here, we don't have anything that is 0. So we can say that A, B, C, all of them are not 0. So because AB plus BC plus CA equal to 0, if ABC, all of them be positive, it's because we don't have 0, we come on to consider they are negative or positive. Then it will be positive, 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 impossible. If all of them negative, then AB positive, 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 impossible. So we have loss of generality. 2 of them negative, 1 of them positive, or 2 of them positive, 1 of them negative. Because in previous page we said this, that if for ABC works, we can say negative A, negative B, negative C works. So we conclude, for example, without loss of generality, we have this case that A, B are positive, C is negative. So I consider A and B are positive without loss of generality and C is negative, then I consider all other cases. For example, I consider all arrangements that A is C positive, B negative, and all these cases. So A and B are positive. Now, I say, okay, AB plus BC plus CA equal to 0, I say. And I consider C as equal to negative C prime, so C prime is positive now. So here it will be AB minus BC prime minus C prime A equal to 0. If I want to factorize, I can say, okay, A, B, so I create A. Now I place minus C prime, so I create this. So I have what more? Negative C prime times negative C prime will be C prime squared. So this important equation that we've reached here. A minus C prime, B minus C prime equal to C prime squared. C is a negative number, C prime is positive, and C prime, because of this condition, C can be only, in this case, because it's negative, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So C prime can only be 1, 2, 3. So I should only check these three cases, that C prime B1, C prime B2, C prime B3. So in case 1, C prime B1. So I say A minus 1, I write A minus 1 times B minus 1 equal to C prime squared, which is 1. So A and B are between negative 3, positive 3. So because the product is 1, and we said A and B are positive here. So we should erase this. It will be at least 1. So if you have this negative 1, or 1, 1, negative 1 is impossible because A is 0, B is 0. From here, A equal to B equal to 2. So here, our answer will be 2. 2, C prime is 1, so C is negative 1. And you can see AB plus AC plus BC in this case will be 0. So, okay, so if you check here, AB will be 2 times 2, 4. BC will be negative 2, negative 2, 0. It works. And now, case 2, if C prime is 2. So A minus 2, if we check this equation, A minus 2 times B minus 2 equal to C prime squared, which is 4. So again here, I have 1 on. Because A is positive and B is positive, it will be greater than or equal to negative 1. So negative 1, negative 4, negative 2, negative 2 doesn't work. 1, 4, and 2, 2. 4, 1 we don't need to check because look, we should only calculate A plus B plus C. So it's symmetry with respect to A, B, C. You need to check only one of them here. A is 3, B is 6. So it will be 3, 6, and C is negative 2. If we want to check AB plus BC plus CA equal to 0, with 3 times 6, 18, plus negative 12, or let me write minus 12, plus CA will be minus 6, it's 0, okay? Now let's check case 3, C prime is 3, A minus 3 times B minus, you should also check this, A equal to B equal to 4, so it will be negative 2, negative 2, sorry, 4, 4, and C will be negative 2, 4, 4, negative 2, and AB will be 16 minus 8 minus 8 is okay. Now this case, last case, 3 squared 9, so it will be, because A is at least 1, it will be greater than or equal to negative 2, negative 2. So here it will be 1, 9, 3, 3. A will be 4, B will be 12, A equal to B equal to 6. So in this case, it will be 4, 12. C is negative C prime, negative 3. In this case, it will be 6, 6, and 6 plus, let me check, negative 3. So if we check AB plus BC plus CA, for the first one, it will be 48 minus 12 minus 36 is 0. For this one, it will be 36 minus 18 minus 6, 18. Both of case, they will be 0. Now, we should calculate what A plus B plus C. Let me write all cases of A plus B plus C. From here, I said from this part, I said it can be 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 3. And because I can negate all of them if I want to find A plus B plus C, I also consider negative sign of that. So here, it will be 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. If I want to write it, 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. Now, let's check here this part. 2, 2, 1. It will be sum 3 plus minus 3 we've considered here. This part, 3 plus 6, 9 minus 2, 7. So here it will be plus minus 7. Now let's consider this. 4 plus 4, 8 minus 2, 6. So plus minus 6. So this part, 4 plus 12, 16 minus 3, 13. Plus minus 13. And this part, 6 plus 6, 12 minus 3, 9. So plus minus 9. We found all the cases. If you have any other, look, the way is this. You should pay attention only to not have careless mistake. The solution is this. If you find other answer or question about this solution, you can comment right below this video. And let me write one more homework. So, as a homework, AB plus BC plus CA equal to 1 and ABC are between -3 and 3. Try to solve this as a homework and tell me A plus B plus C is what. You can comment your answers below this video and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification, and like the video. And if you want to learn other ideas and improve your problem solving, you can send message to my number, WhatsApp number in the comments and also description. Thanks.